Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Hassan Al-Bahori from Group G, and my colleague is Naif, Amin, Amal, and Najla. Today, we are going to explore a vital aspect of leadership and employee management that often determines success in the workplace: emotional intelligence. Understanding how emotion influence our interaction and decision can significantly enhance both personal and professional outcomes. Emotional intelligence, often called EI, refers to the ability to understand and manage our own emotions as well as those of others. It is a critical skill in both personal and professional environments because it helps individuals navigate social complexities and make better decisions. EI is made up of five key components: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Each of these play a fundamental role in how we interact with others and handle our emotions. High emotional intelligence allows individuals to build stronger relationships and better resolve conflict. This not only applies to personal life but also in managing workplace interactions. Leaders who demonstrate high emotional intelligence can connect more effectively with their teams, earning trust and fostering loyalty, which are crucial for long-term success. The components of emotional intelligence, self-awareness, is the first component, and it's all about being conscious of your own emotions and how they influence your thoughts and actions. Leaders with high self-awareness have a clear sense of their strengths and weaknesses, which help them to respond thoughtfully in any situation. Self-regulation refers to the ability to control or redirect disruptive emotions and impulses. Leaders who can manage their own emotions, especially under pressure, are better equipped to handle workplace challenges without losing control. Motivation is the drive to achieve beyond expectation. Leaders who are internally motivated set high standards for themselves and their teams, constantly pushing toward better outcomes regardless of the challenges. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feeling of others, help leaders connect with their team members on a deeper level, fostering a sense of loyalty and respect within the team.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Naif Swedi. I will talk in slide 3 about emotional intelligence and leadership. Leaders with a strong emotional intelligence inspire their teams through their ability to manage their emotions and respond to the needs of others. This helps create a motivating environment where employees feel valued and driven to perform. During stressful times, or when difficult decisions must be made, emotional intelligence allows leaders to think clearly and make informed choices. They remain calm, which helps guide the team through uncertainty. Empathetic leaders go a step further by understanding the concerns and emotional states of their employees. By doing so, they can provide the right kind of support, which increases employee motivation and satisfaction. Emotional intelligence makes leaders more adaptable, especially when managing diverse teams with the varying needs and expectations. It ensures that they remain effective regardless of culture or personality differences within the team. Emotional intelligence and employee management. Emotional intelligence is essential for managers because it allows them to recognize and respond appropriately to their employees' emotional states. This helps in resolving conflict and addressing issues before they escalate. Managers who demonstrate high emotional intelligence create a positive and supportive work environment. This reduces employee stress and help improve productivity as employees feel more comfortable expressing their concerns. By understanding the emotional needs of employees, manager can tailor their approach to enhance performance and job specification. This leads to better overall team outcomes. High emotional intelligence also leads to stronger team cohesion when team members feel understood and valued. They are more likely to collaborate effectively and support one another in achieving shared goals.
Hi everyone, my name is Amal Al-Belushi. I will talk about the three slides. The first slide that related emotion intelligence and workplace performance. The first point showed that emotion intelligence has significant positive impact on both individual and organizational performance. Employees who can manage their emotion are more likely to stay focused and protective. The second point, employees with higher emotion intelligence are better at handling workplace stress and challenges. They can stay calm under pressure and make well-informed decisions that benefit the organization. The third point, higher emotion intelligence improve job satisfaction by fostering and positive work environment where employees feel understood and supported. This in turn leads to lower turnover rates and absenteeism. The last point, teams will collective emotion intelligence where members are aware of and response to each other emotional needs are generally more cohesive and perform better than those lacking emotion awareness. Slide 6, self-awareness and leadership. Self-awareness help leads make better decisions and set a strong example for their teams, especially in stressful situations. By continuously learning and acknowledging their own weakness, they build trust and grow with their teams. Slide 7, empathy and employee relation. Empathy is essential in leadership because it builds trust and loyalty, improves communication, and fosters a positive work environment. By being approachable and understanding employee concerns, leads create a space where people feel safe and valued, which ultimately boosts morale and cooperation.
Hello, I'm Najla and today we'll cover up several points. First, we'll start with emotional intelligence and conflict resolution. 1. Conflict is inevitable in the workplace, but leaders with emotional intelligence handle it with calmness and fairness. They avoid reacting emotionally and instead approach the situation with reasons and empathy, ensuring a just resolution. 2. Emotional intelligence enhances a leader's problem-solving abilities. By balancing both the emotional and logical aspects of a situation, leaders can find solutions that satisfy all parties involved. 3. Empathetic leaders act as mediators, encouraging open communication and collaboration during conflicts. Their understanding of emotion allows them to diffuse tense situations effectively. 4. High emotional intelligence allows leaders to detect potential conflict early on and address them before they escalate. This proactive approach helps maintain a positive and harmonious work environment. Our next point is motivation and leadership. First, emotionally intelligent leaders inspire and motivate their team by understanding their emotional drivers. They know what to encourage their employees to perform at their best and create a work environment that supports this. 2. Motivative leaders foster a positive workplace culture by recognizing and celebrating small wins. This keeps employees engaged and motivated even when challenges arise. Thirdly, leaders who maintain optimism during difficult times serve as a source of inspiration for their teams. This positively helps boost morale and keeps employees focused on achieving their goals. Lastly, highly motivated leaders lead by example. Their dedication and perseverance inspire their team to follow suit, fostering a resilient and result-oriented culture. Emotional intelligence in team building. 1. Emotional intelligence plays a key role in building cohesive teams. When leaders foster emotional awareness, they help create a sense of belonging and collaboration among team members. 2. Leaders who possess high emotional intelligence understand team dynamics and can nurture strong relationships within the team. This leads to better communication and more effective teamwork. 3. Emotional intelligent team members provide an emotional support to one another during high pressure situations, which reduces stress and increases their ability to meet deadlines and achieve goals. Lastly, trust and mutual respect are key elements of high performing teams. Leaders who emphasize emotional intelligence help cultivate these values, strengthening the team overall performance.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Amin Safa, and I will be presenting my part in this research, which is about training for emotional intelligence development and the conclusion. So basically, emotional intelligence, often thought to be an innate skill, can be developed through training, as the research has shown. Also, the companies that invest in emotional intelligence training not only see improvements in leadership, but also employee relationships. Moreover, emotional intelligence training focuses on developing key competencies such as self-awareness, empathy, and the effective communications. So these skills are essential for anyone aspiring to become a successful leader. Furthermore, organizations that implement emotional intelligence training programs experience a noticeable increase in leadership effectiveness as well as stronger teamwork. So the benefits of such programs extend to across all levels of the organization, fostering a more cohesive and productive work environment. In addition, continuous development of emotional intelligence and ensures long-term success in leadership. Also, leaders who consistently work on enhancing their emotional intelligence remain not only effective but also adaptable to the ever-changing demands of the workplace. Now the conclusion. So in conclusion, emotional intelligence is a crucial factor in effective leadership and employee management. Also, leaders who possess emotional intelligence are better equipped to understand and respond to the emotional needs of their teams. And leaders who demonstrate emotional intelligence to create positive work environments, handle conflicts effectively, and lead their teams to success. So, this emotional awareness is key in promoting collaboration and innovation. Furthermore, developing emotional intelligence not only improves performance and job satisfaction, however, also enhances team cohesion and overall organizational success. Lastly, organizations must invest in training and nurturing emotional intelligence at all levels to ensure long-term success and to create a healthy workplace culture.